I stared at my dusty vision board, heart sinking as years of unlived dreams mocked me, whispering I was too late to start again. That aching regret could have buried me, but Stoic philosophy sparked an unstoppable fire within. Welcome to Stoic Reign, where 8 Stoicism mindset habits, rooted in ancient wisdom, transform doubt into courage, chaos into clarity, and setbacks into strength. For middle-aged Americans battling self-sabotage, distraction, or fear of change, this 14-day Stoic Unstoppable Blueprint reduces anxiety, sparks motivation, and unlocks a Stoicism mindset that nothing can stop. Life rages like a tempest with doubts, distractions, and fears threatening to dim your inner fire. These Stoic mindset practices, rooted in ancient wisdom, arm you with exercises to sharpen courage, cultivate clarity, and fuel relentless motivation. Meet 8 souls who forged unstoppable spirits through Stoic resolve, beginning with my own. I'm Nora, a career counselor from Burlington. Self-doubt froze my words during a presentation, leaving my audience disengaged, my confidence crumbling. I began a Stoic mindset practice. Each morning I snapped a twig for 3 minutes, naming a doubt like, "My words lack power," saying, "I choose courage." I drafted a bold speech. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." This torch of courage restored my confidence. My presentation won a client, proving Stoic discipline heals daily. Next is Liam, a coffee shop owner from Santa Fe. Procrastination kept his cafe dream on paper, his kitchen cold, fear of failure holding him back. He embraced a Stoic mindset with the spark of initiative. Each morning he pressed a leaf for 4 minutes, saying, "I act now," and took one step like sketching a menu. Seneca said, "Begin at once to live." This Stoic practice boosted productivity and motivation. Liam's cafe now thrives, a win for Stoic philosophy. Then there's Linda, an art educator from Santa Barbara. Emails scattered her focus, leaving lessons uninspired, students disengaged. She adopted the beacon of clarity. Each morning she spun a coin for 3 minutes, naming one priority like, "Engage students." She silenced notifications. Epictetus said, "You become what you give your attention to." This Stoic mindset practice enhanced self-improvement and clarity. Lynn's classes shine, proof Stoicism inspires. Meet Evan, an entrepreneur from Minneapolis. Past mistakes haunted him, straining family ties, stealing precious time. He cultivated a Stoic mindset with the Ember of release. Each evening he blew out a candle for 4 minutes, saying, "I let this go," releasing one regret, like a failed venture. Seneca said, "Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end." This Stoic practice calmed his mind, sparking Stoic love. Evan's family bonds grow, showing Stoic wisdom. Bridget, a healthcare specialist from Savannah, craved growth but feared failure, stalling her training, patient care suffering. She practiced the pulse of growth. Each morning she planted a seed for 4 minutes, saying, "I grow daily," and studied one topic, like patient care. Marcus Aurelius said, "No one was ever wise by chance." This Stoic mindset practice fostered motivation and skill. Bridget's care excels, a testament to Stoic resolve. Kofi, a community activist from Tucson, felt lost in routine, days fading without meaning, his mind adrift. He used the shield of presence. Each morning he held a pebble for 3 minutes, saying, "I am here now," savoring one moment, like a sunrise. Epictetus said, "Cease worrying about things beyond our control." This Stoic mindset practice boosted mindfulness and joy. Kofi's presence radiates, proving Stoic grit. Freya, a screenwriter from Santa Fe, feared her stories wouldn't resonate. Her pen stalled, scripts unfinished. She forged a Stoic mindset with the crest of purpose. Each evening she drew a star for 5 minutes, saying, "My heart guides me," and set one goal like write authentically. Seneca said, "Know your port to sail." This Stoic practice ignited motivation and self-improvement. Freya's scripts inspire, reflecting Stoic reign. Finally, Zane, a data analyst from Raleigh, dreaded proposing changes, Fearing rejection, his confidence shaken, he used the flame of resilience. Each evening he traced a spiral for 4 minutes saying, "I thrive through change," and took one step, like pitching an idea. Marcus Aurelius said, "The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it." This Stoic mindset practice reduced anxiety and sparked leadership. Zane's proposals shine, proving Stoic wisdom. These stories forged the 14-day Stoic Unstoppable Blueprint, inspired by lives unleashed. These 8 Stoic mindset practices reduce anxiety, boost productivity, and nurture Stoic love, perfect for anyone craving resilience. Each takes 3 to 5 minutes, ideal for those new to Stoicism seeking strength. Practice one daily for 2 weeks. Journal progress and watch your fire grow. Day 1 to 2, Torch of Courage. Snap a twig for 3 minutes each morning, naming a doubt like "my words fail." Say, "I choose courage." Act, like tackling a task. Marcus Aurelius said, "Power over your mind, not outside events." This Stoic mindset practice clears anxiety and sparks motivation. Nora used it to soar. It's your torch for Stoic philosophy. Day 3 to 4, Spark of Initiative. Press a leaf for 4 minutes each morning, naming a delayed task like "start my project." Say, "I act now." Act, like drafting a plan. Seneca said, "Begin at once to live." This Stoic mindset practice boosts productivity and motivation. Liam used it to launch, "It's your spark for Stoic wisdom." Day 5 to 6, Beacon of Clarity. Spin a coin for 3 minutes each morning, naming one priority like "teach with focus." Say, "This is my clarity." Act, like working undisturbed. Epictetus said, "You become what you give your attention to." This Stoic mindset practice enhances self-improvement and clarity. Lynn used it to shine. It's your beacon for Stoic resolve. Day 7 to 8, Ember of Release. Blow out a candle for 4 minutes each evening, naming a regret like "I missed a chance." Say, "I let this go." Act, like journaling to release. Seneca said, "Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end." This Stoic mindset practice reduces anxiety and sparks Stoic love. Evan used it to bond. It's your ember for Stoic practice. Day 9 to 10, Pulse of Growth. Plant a seed for 4 minutes each morning, naming a growth area like "learn a skill." Say, "I grow daily." Act, like studying a lesson. Marcus Aurelius said, "No one was ever wise by chance." This Stoic mindset practice fosters motivation and skill. Bridget used it to excel. It's your pulse for Stoic discipline. Day 11 to 12, Shield of Presence. Hold a pebble for 3 minutes each morning, savoring one moment, like your breath. Say, "I am here now." Act, like noticing details. Epictetus said, "Cease worrying about things beyond our control." This Stoic mindset practice boosts mindfulness and joy. Kofi used it to thrive. It's your shield for Stoic Reign. Day 13, Crest of Purpose. Draw a star for 5 minutes each evening, naming a value like authenticity. Say, "My heart guides me." Act, like aligning a choice. Seneca said, "Know your port to sail." This Stoic mindset practice ignites motivation and self-improvement. Freya used it to inspire. It's your crest for Stoic wisdom. Day 14, Flame of Resilience. Trace a spiral for 4 minutes each evening, naming a change, like new role. Say, "I thrive through change." Act, like embracing a shift. Marcus Aurelius said, "The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it." This Stoic mindset practice reduces anxiety and sparks leadership. Zane used it to lead. It's your flame for Stoic philosophy. These 8 Stoic mindset practices, torch, spark, beacon, ember, pulse, shield, crest, flame, forge your 14-day Stoic Unstoppable Blueprint, turning obstacles into opportunities for anyone facing doubt or fear. Subscribe to Stoic Reign for weekly Stoic mindset lessons to fuel your journey, and comment, "I'm unstoppable," to ignite your fire today.